Hey folks, welcome to Michael's Art Review. I'm Michael and today I will be doing some art reviews as requested. If you want me to draw on top of your work and review some of your character design or other illustrations, you can send me your artwork through my email, which you can see here, or just send me a direct message on my Instagram, which is here. And to make it even easier, I will be including all the links in the description also. Remember, I'm not trying to be a know-it-all here. I just want to give you folks my opinion on your illustrations that maybe you will think is useful and maybe to keep in mind the next time you create your next masterpiece. Hey guys, here we go with another review. Yeah, let's go on this one. I received this illustration from Emily Walk. Cool sketch, yeah. I duplicated this one so that I can draw on top of it. Now what I see from the bat is that I would definitely use this line of action. There's a lot of action going on. Make this round from the ear. Also from the chin up, I would go towards the middle point of the prop on the ear. So yeah, very cool. Let me see what I can do. I would make the forehead stand out more. Like this. And like I said, I would draw the chin up into this earpiece. Draw a big shade underneath the chin and the jawline. There's also a muscle going from the ear down towards your chest, like so. And maybe beneath that muscle, I would make some sort of alien type neck. So remove this one. Of course you could make these pointy more, but I like those round shapes. Makes it all a bit softer. I will be over here. That looks pretty cool. I like this sketch, man. Or I like this sketch. Very nice. Okay, that's what I would do. Let's go ahead and look at another illustration. This one's by Battle Bear, 1997 art. I've made a new background for it. And I've made a ground shading for the frog because I want it to be in air. And I retouch it a bit color-wise, some tiny adjustments. What I would do with the frog, I would cut away this hand or arm, just put it on the side for now. I would cut off this arm and I would move it to the back, more like this, and then this part I would flip and also pull it down. Okay, the hand is now a bit weird, but that's an easy fix. I will draw this. Bit of shading underneath the arm, the armpit. Yeah, a bit like this. I don't think it needs this part of the trousers over here, so I would erase that. Like so. Get a tiny brush. Okay, that's cool. I would definitely move this leg. Down. Down, down, down. Come on. Why isn't this working? Yes, here we go. Bit more like this. Be careful that the feet don't look similar that much. Maybe this one, like so. Maybe turn this one down. Or even more up. Up. I would definitely draw the tongue differently. Make it a bigger tongue. These guys have a huge tongue. To eat those flies off the wall. So maybe more like this. Of course, there could be some drops. It's always nice to make it a bit more disgusting, right? Then I would definitely move his mouth. So I would go like this. So, and I gotta draw the tongue again. So yeah, a bit more like this. And again, I think this arm, this one, I would almost draw it here. Put a bit of shading on it so it looks like it's on the other side. You know, this is what I would do. Maybe do a warp. Yeah, something like this. Well, that's cool. Nice illustration, Battle Bear, a 1997 art. Thank you. One more. Andy Canyon. Okay, cool. I like this one. I've duplicated this one and made a selection of it so that I can work even easier and faster. Now what you have is a full frontal face, and that's cool and all, but maybe with this image you want to give it a bit more perspective. I see the top of the head is kind of flat, so when we draw this line and this line for the nose, let's see what the eyes will be. He's angry, right? Tiny bit. Okay, cool. He needs a mouth. I would really push that mouth corner up. Make this more triangle shape. A bit more furry like also here. Remember, when the corners of the mouth go up, the cheeks near to the eyes will go up too. So yeah, kind of like this. He has a small body, right? And he has his arm behind his back because I'll make a big shadow here from his head. He has an axe, a bloody axe. No, an axe. It's not his bloody axe. So I would draw this like this, like so. Make a drop of blood, like you have it. bit more perspective on the feet, I think. And yeah, the blood on the ground, I always draw this in a certain way, which works. Let me show you. In a new layer, I draw a flat circle, like an oval. I draw a bigger one next to it. Come on. I make some sort of a shiner. Bit of a shade underneath it. And here's the blood. Let's erase some parts. So yeah, I would do it like this. Cool. Kinda cool. Yep. Okay, it's not my best work, but you get the point, right? Maybe do a bit of reflection here, also here. Cool. Okay guys, I hope you find this useful. Send me all those images, and you can send it to my email, like here, or just send it to my Instagram account, which you will find here. Okay, thanks very much guys. I will see you on the next. Bye bye.